Hey, what's up? It's Jenny. Welcome to another video on my channel. For today's video, I'm doing a makeup look inspired by the anime character Uchiha Sasuke from Naruto. I'm wearing my Naruto shirt today and I'm just excited about how the makeup look will turn out. But yeah, we can just get right into the video. Alright, so when I was making this makeup look, I had a lot of fun trying out different eyeliner techniques because I wanted to see what would work with the makeup look overall because I'm basing this off the curse mark that Sasuke had. It's more when the curse mark is starting to slowly take over him, so probably near the end of the Chunin exams or the beginning of Shippuden, because I'm only going to do the curse mark on half of my face, but yeah, we're going to get started. First I need to get my hair out of the way. And I'm going to start from the very beginning and show you what products I use, but you can always use different products if you're following along this tutorial, or if you're just watching, thanks for watching, I guess. Alright, I'm going to start with some primer for my base. I have the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Product does not want to come out. I'm just gonna dot it all over my face and blend it in. Alright, I'm gonna put on a little concealer because I really want that flawless look for this. Because I'm using the color black for the eyeliner and for the curse mark, I just want that flawless look, I guess. I'm using an e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I'm just gonna put a little bit underneath my eye and blend it out. Alright, I'm gonna put on my base down. I still only have the M Cosmetics Daydream Cushion. I don't have any other foundations, but this looks pretty well in coverage, so I'm not mad about it. When I was coming up with anime-inspired looks, I thought about doing Itachi instead of Sasuke, but because of the curse mark and how it'll look in the makeup look, I thought I had more fun with that. Even though I don't really like Sasuke, to be honest, as a character in Naruto. I mean, he does have the redemption arc, sort of, near the end. Also, for anyone who hasn't watched Naruto, sorry, there's spoilers, I guess. But I have been watching Boruto too, and he's better there, but I don't know if I still like him in Boruto. Okay, and to keep my face from getting super oily later on, I'm gonna put on some powder right now. I'm using the Peri Pera Oil Capture Cooling Powder. I reviewed it in my last video and I'm gonna use it again because I actually like it. I'm not using the right kind of brush for this, but it's fine. I'm just gonna put it on parts of my face that tend to get oily more quickly. Okay, before I move on to more of the base, I'm gonna start with the eye look. Just so you know, I'm gonna go in a kind of a weird order for this. But it's what works for me, and honestly, makeup doesn't have to be in a specific order. You can play around with what you want to do in order, I guess. But yeah, because I have trouble doing eyeliner, I tend to like to do that first, or near the beginning of my makeup routine. But I'm gonna put some eyeshadow base down for the color that I want to use in the beginning. I'm just taking a fluffy brush and I'm taking a dark blue shimmery color I'm using an e.l.f. bite-size eyeshadow, but any color will do with what you have. Actually, before that, I forgot I'm putting on eye primer because I want the blue to really stick to my eye. Okay, I got my eye primer down, and now I'm gonna do the eyeshadow. I'm just gonna put this all over my lid. I'm not really worried about making a shape, like having it angled or anything. Okay, I got my blue eyeshadow base down, and now I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner already. So this is the part where it's the weird step because I'm putting eyeliner on before I finish the eyeshadow part. But I personally have a lot of trouble with eyeliner because of the shape of my eye. Because I have that double eyelid, it's kind of hard to get a wing. But this is what works for me, so I'm gonna go with that. Yeah, I got my eyeliner down. That took a super long time. Low-key, very tired from that. I'm gonna move on to contouring and highlighting my face before I move on to the curse mark. I'll come back to the eye look later, but I want to start with a curse mark to see where I'm at. Okay, contour. I'm gonna use the NYX Wonder Stick. And this one's the light medium shade, so I'm using the darker shade for contour. Since Sasuke has that sharp jawline, I'm trying to go for a more sculpted look. So I'm gonna start right here near the top of my cheek. Bring it down. Contouring always makes me nervous because it's just such a dark color. But I'm trying to contour based on the shape of my face because I have a more round face. I've been watching some videos on different contour techniques and I really like this one for the sculpted look. Okay, next I'm gonna put some right here for that jawline. For my non-existent jawline. Some here. My bang hairs are always in the way. Okay, now I'm gonna highlight in the same areas that I contoured, but right underneath it. So right here and underneath this line. I'm gonna put a little bit here. And a little bit in the center of my forehead. And I'm gonna put some here too. And blend it out. Okay, I feel like it's kind of weird looking at myself in the mirror right now. I have a more snatched face, which I am not used to. But I'm gonna put on some powder so that it'll stay and not get oily. I'm not all that worried about baking my face. It's not something I typically do, so I'm not gonna do it. Okay, now we can finally get into the curse mark aspect. I am basing it off an image that I'm gonna be looking at on my phone, but I'll show you what image I'm basing it off of. Oops, I lost it. Okay. And instead of liquid eyeliner, I'm using my phone. I'm using a water activated eyeliner. I just have this kit here from, I think it's Clara Psych. It's like a smaller business makeup brand, but I really like this little palette. So this is easier to wipe away if I make a mistake without having to ruin my base. I'm gonna start on the nose and work my way over to one side of my face. My phone keeps falling. I'll just leave it down. Yeah, I'm just gonna outline the shapes and then fill them in slowly. I don't think it has to be perfect, but as long as you get the idea of what the curse mark looks like, you'll be fine. I have really unsteady hands, so to make sure I'm not making a mistake, especially with this dark color, I'm using whatever I can to anchor my hand and keep it in place. First shape down. It's not perfect, but there's plenty of other shapes where I can try to make it look better, so it's gonna be a long time. Okay, I really like how the curse mark came out, but I want to finish off the eye look so that it'll be more complete. Okay, so I'm gonna go back over the blue so that I have the base really well. I have black eyeliner all over my fingers, but it's fine. I'm going on back in with the blue so that it'll be more pigmented. Okay, now I'm gonna take a large eyeshadow brush and go in with a light brown nude color and put that on top of the blue so that it'll blend easier into my crease. Okay. I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush and blend it out a little bit. And I'm gonna do the same on the other side. Okay, taking the same fluffy brush that I've been using to blend out the colors, I'm gonna go in with this, it's like a brown silver shade, shimmery shade. And I'm gonna put it right here in the inner corner. And fade it into the two colors that I already have. Okay, now I'm gonna take a small angled brush, just any tiny brush will do, and go in with the same shade I was using on the inner corner. And put just a little bit on my waterline area to really make my eyes pop. Okay, I need to fill in my brows because I have not done that yet. I'm just gonna brush out my brows and have a little pomade stick and fill it in. Okay, this is what I have so far, but I'm gonna do my lashes off camera. I'm just putting on some magnetic lashes. And I'm also gonna put in some contacts and we'll come back to see the final look. I cannot really see with the contacts and lashes, but this is the finished makeup look. Yeah, I just had a lot of fun creating this and I think it really looks good with the lashes and the contacts for the Sharigan. It's the, I guess you can't really see because I have smaller eyes, but if I put closely, it has the 3 sigils, or I don't really remember what they're called, but I'll put them up here somewhere, I guess. But yeah, if you watched this makeup look and enjoyed it, please let me know. Give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you just want to talk about what I did for the makeup look or have any questions or have any suggestions for a next video. Thanks so much for watching and hopefully I'll see you again next week. So yeah, bye!